Another feature that all of the web browsers have is tabbed browsing. And for some of the web browsers, what you see is just like a little tab here. In Microsoft Edge, you see a plus sign. If you click on that, it displays a new tab, and you can navigate to a completely different site and still go back to the site that you were at. So you can have multiple tabbed pages. This is actually an awesome feature because before tabbed browsing, you actually had to have multiple web windows open. So this allows you to have different pages display within the same web window. So it's actually an awesome feature. Now what we're going to do is click up here where the address bar should be, and we're going to go to a Microsoft page. Now again, we don't have to key in the HTTP section of this because it's going to assume that. So really all we need to key in is www.microsoft.com/ I think it filled it in for me, en-us/default.aspx. This is actually kind of a useful feature when it works because it will try to fill in the address for you, and if it's correct, you don't have to type anymore. Okay? You can just press enter. If it's incorrect, then you want to keep typing. In my case, it's right, so I'm just going to go ahead and press enter. Okay, so we're going to keep this open. We're at the Microsoft page here. I'm going to click on the plus and go into another tabbed sheet. And we're going to go to Chrome this time. So I'm going to click up here in the address bar. And we'll go to Chrome. And it looks like it filled in the rest for me, which is actually pretty awesome. So I'm just going to press enter. Okay, and this happens to be the site where you can download the Chrome browser from. And Chrome actually works really well with some of the third-party software that we use for this class. So might not be a bad idea to download Chrome if you don't have it. So we're going to go ahead and do another one. And we'll go ahead and click up here. And this time we're going to go to Firefox, which is another web browser. And this is the download page. You will notice that even though we keyed in www.firefox.com, we are looking at quite a different page here. And this happens quite often when you're on the internet. When you key in an address, if the page has moved, that website will redirect you to a new page. So what just happened to us is we were redirected. Now we're going to go ahead and close out of this page or this tab. So you'll notice there's a little red X that we can click on. Otherwise, you could right-click and close. We're going to go ahead and click on the X. And most web browsers either have an X or you are able to right-click and close. And now what they would like us to do for the Chrome is duplicate this. So we're going to right-click, take a look at that menu. And we're going to choose Duplicate Tab. Okay, so now we still have 4 open, but 2 of them are Chrome. They're the exact same thing. And you may notice that it does display a little thumbnail here, which is actually kind of nice. The other web browsers do not do this. Okay, so that's actually a nice feature that's in Edge. Now what they would like us to do is right-click on one of the Chromes and close the other tabs. Okay, but we're going to keep this one open. Now, at this point, for the purposes of our assignment, what you're going to need to do is do a screenshot, and you can press Alt and print screen. That way, it should only catch this one window. If you have dual monitors or if you have more than one thing open. So we'll do Alt and print screen. If you have a laptop, you're probably going to have to press FN, Alt and print screen. But that'll take a screenshot, and you are going to have to download that assignment page if you haven't done it already, and paste it in the space provided.